Beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo located in a highly desirable gated community, offering both comfort and style in a spacious split floor plan. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the bright and open living area, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. The kitchen features brand new granite countertops, a convenient breakfast bar, and plenty of cabinet space, making it a dream for those who enjoy cooking or hosting. The master suite provides a private retreat with a large walk-in closet and a recently renovated bathroom that boasts a Roman soaking tub, a brand new tile shower, and modern finishes. The secondary bedrooms are equally inviting, with new carpet and fresh paint throughout the entire home, creating a crisp, move-in ready feel. Additional highlights include a laundry room equipped with washer and dryer, new tile flooring in the kitchen and baths, and thoughtful upgrades that enhance the home's appeal. This condo also comes with resort-style amenities designed for an active and social lifestyle. Enjoy the sparkling community pool and relaxing hot tub, stay fit in the gym, play indoor basketball or beach volleyball, and take advantage of a gated playground and a clubhouse complete with a pool table and gathering space. Water and basic cable are included in the rent, adding even more value. With its blend of upgrades, spacious layout, and unbeatable amenities, this home truly has it all. Don't miss the chance to make it yours. Opportunities like this don't last long,